Hello from Slovenia again. I made a mess yesterday with this mallet smash, so I want to chill up a little bit, so I will do my favorite technique again. Reverse flower dip. And today I have white flower shaped cups, tulip shaped cups, whatever. You see they come in black, white and transparent, and this is the bottom. I took the white one because you can see better how it looks, and this is the company that they produce them. I heard that they are available on AliExpress because they are out of stock for the US citizens. On the Amazon, maybe you can check there, and I think that eBay, UK eBay has them, and I think eBay or Amazon Canada. But I don't know if they ship to States, but I know that they are hard to find. I will list all my colors in the description box, but maybe I can tell you a little about my colors. The first one that I used was greenish blue. The second one was extreme sheen, bronze and Bordeaux, and this one is cobalt blue and cobalt green mixed with my pearl medium from Vallejo, and this is carmine red. And let's add some pearl white too. And this one is iridescent blue-green or green-blue. I will, from PAPER, I will put the right one in the description box. So, and I will do another row. This greenish blue, and bronze. I will try to add a little less of this bronze because it can take over. And Bordeaux red. And my metallic teal kind of mixture, metallic cobalt. I don't know, it's not, it's more like a cobalt teal. And I adjust way too much because I forgot that this one is mixed with pearl white and carmine. And white. Pearl white. And iridescent, blue green, green blue. And I'm just thinking that I will add another layer of this greenish blue and a little of this bronze and finish this up with this Bordeaux red, because I want to have this paint in the middle of my flower, not in the middle. I will show you what I mean. Okay. I will grab my paper napkin. I'll just blow this paint off the cup that it will. I don't know if I will get a lot of lacing today. I'm sure that my bronze will give me some lacing. I have my pearl white mixed on the thick side again, so I'm hoping just for a little lacing, but I'm not sure about this one that I mixed myself. So, and let's do my petals. I will just grab this Bordeaux red and bring it out a little bit. And this will be all. And I will lay down my napkin. Colors look pretty nice right now, but we will see what will happen when I will lift my napkin. I will just gently touch this to make sure that my napkin touches the paint all over. This is important. You don't want to press too hard when you do this. So, and let's try to leave this as beautiful as we can. I always have a little problem with this second row of my corners. As I thought. I will just add a little black around and just give it a little spin, just to see. Just slowly. I don't want, whoop, my flower on the whole canvas, so that's why I will do this slowly. I will try to take you a little closer. I see this cobalt hue now that I didn't think that I will, but it didn't give me lacing, so maybe a little spin just to open up this a little bit. I will leave it now. Let's torch it. I will do the sides later because I don't want to bother you with all these things. You probably already know that I put a little black around just to level this out a little bit. Not bad at all, but now I'm a little, because my paint was flowing over the edge on one side only, so I will just try to do this so that it will be more kind of balanced or something. You see, I just want to have these two sides to go over. I have to check main body parts here. Here was one Just want to bring a little interest here in the middle with this blue, because I think that it's better now. One more torch. And the close-up. So as I thought that my cobalt pearl mixture will not do much, but I like this pearl white next to iridescent blue-green, because it will be greenish blue, green blue. So I do like it. I just want to see which way the colors are. I don't know, probably this way. I have to say that I like it, because this bronze gives a nice something, and this blue in the middle with a little black, and this cobalt is nice. So I'm happy, and I didn't make such a mess as yesterday, you see. So this is it for today, and of course I will do some other techniques too with this stained glass look, but today I just want to do one flower with these colors, because I just want to do something that I know how to do, not to experiment. Sometimes it's just not the day for experimentation. So I hope that you like my flower too, and see you on the next one. Bye.